10 interesting facts about the ocean.
1. The ocean covers 70% of the Earth's surface.
The ocean makes all life on Earth possible and makes the planet appear blue when viewed from space. Earth is only the planet in our solar system that is definitely known to contain liquid water. The majority of life on Earth is aquatic. As much of the Earth's surface is underwater, it comes as no surprise that marine species outnumber those on land. But it's an incredible 94% of the Earth's living species that exist within the oceans. 3. There are 5 oceans in the world. 1. Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the 3rd largest ocean in the world. 2. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest of all the oceans.
3. Atlantic Ocean.
The Atlantic Ocean is the 2nd largest ocean in the world. 4. Antarctic Ocean.
The Antarctic Ocean is also known as the Southern Ocean, comprises the southernmost waters of the world's ocean.
5. Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest of the world's 5 major oceans. The depth of the oceans. The depth of the Indian Ocean is 8,047 meters. The depth of the Pacific Ocean is 11,022 meters. Depth of Atlantic Ocean is 8,486 meters. The depth of the Antarctic Ocean is 7,236 meters. The depth of the Arctic Ocean is 5,450 meters. 5. Most volcanic eruptions happen underwater.
There are an estimated 1 million volcanoes underwater. Around 80% of volcanic eruptions on the planet actually happen underwater.
The good news is that they are not all active. Volcanic structures also create superheated vents that spew hot water deep underwater. These same vents can cause the surrounding water areas to reach temperatures of up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit and 400 degrees Celsius.
6. There are unbelievable creatures in the ocean. Here are some unbelievable creatures that are found under the deep sea. 1. Blob scalp. These blob-skull creatures are hard to spot because they are recursive by nature. The blob-skull lives in the Pacific coast of the US Sea to southern California.
2. Vampire squid. These animals have the largest eyes of any animal proportional to their size. They live at 10,000 feet under the surface in the Mesopelagic and Bathypelagic regions. Mesopelagic means inhabiting the intermediate depths of the sea, between about 200 and 1,000 meters. Bathypelagic. Bathypelagic means inhabiting the deep sea where the environment is dark and cold, between about 1,000 and 3,000 meters. 3. Clownfish. This strange creature from waters around the Indonesia is bright yellow with red markings. But some frogfish who like to keep a low profile can change color to blend in with their surroundings. Frogfish lives in the tropical and subtropical regions of the Atlantic and Pacific. 7. Where does the ocean salt come from? Salt in the ocean comes from two sources: runoff from the land and opening in the seafloor. When the Earth's ocean first formed about 3.8 billion years ago, as the surface of the planet cooled enough to allow water vapor to liquefy, the oceans were mostly fresh water. 8. The ocean plays a vital role in climate and weather. The sun's heat causes water to evaporate, adding moisture to the air. The ocean provides most of this evaporated water. The water vapor condenses to form clouds, which release their moisture as rain or other kinds of precipitation. 9. It's possible to find rivers and lakes beneath the ocean. When salt water and hydrogen sulfide combine, it becomes denser than the rest of the water around it, enabling it to form a lake or river that flows beneath the sea. The lakes and rivers form when seawater seeps up through thick layers of salt, which are present beneath the seafloor. Underwater lakes and rivers can be as small as a few feet or as large as a few miles long. Around 50% of the US lies beneath the ocean. As with most of the continents, the majority of North America was underwater throughout the Cambrian period. Small land masses in the central part of the continent shed sediment in this shallow sea. 50% of America is underwater. Video 8. Please subscribe, like, and press the notification bell.